We're here at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. So pretty. We're here just in time for the 40th Tokyo Disney anniversary. Definitely a little bit better than the Grand Floridian. Always keep an eye out for the hidden Mickey. So cute. The topiaries. Right in front of the hotel. The brooms. Oh my god. So cute. Bags are down. Headed for some food in what is kind of their like Disney Springs, downtown Disney-esque area. Maybe do some shopping.
Maybe.
Part of like the little shopping district down here. Looks like you're outside, strolling down Hollywood Studios or something. We got a Disney store. We'll check out. Cute. Oh yeah, so this is like the bear that they're really into here, you know? They don't have it in ours, but like Duffy the bear. Look at the little king train, how adorable! Ariel. Oh, and then that's Eric and the dog Max.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, so cute. Oh, it's Ursula.
Ursula.
So cute. All the Disney 100 stuff, you can get that and easily. Mom, was this the hat the other day? The shiny?
Oh, that's
shiny, pretty?
That is a beautiful hat. I love that. See, look at me on it.
Ooh, look at the back of this one. No, absolutely not. I don't really like cats that much either, but I wish the back of this was more the front of it. Like the front's so like subtle, and then the back's all pretty and shiny.
Tokyo Disney.
Room tour time. This is the cheapest of the cheap at the Disneyland Hotel, but you wouldn't guess it. So coming in, we have this little like vanity area. Really cute wallpaper with little hidden Mickeys, of course. And then into the bathroom area. It slides off right here. Find a light somewhere. Oh, we have the cute little amenity kits and stuff. Look how cute that little mug is. Nice. And this is probably the toilet with a nice little bidet set up in here. We love it. Coming into here is the shower room. I never get tired of the shower setups in Tokyo. Pretty artwork there. Shower in here, bathtub there. It's a pretty big bathtub too. Comes with the shampoo and conditioner all set there. And the towels look so nice. Oh, look at these details, so cute. The fish right here. And then looks like Beauty and the Beast rose. And then in here, a little closet with some slippers, which apparently you can keep. Look at how dapper little Mickey Mouse looks. Very nice. And this rug is so adorable with the little birds on it. Another big mirror. Such cute artwork from Beauty and the Beast. Little fridge. All the tea setup over here. We have 2 full-size beds. Artwork once again, adorable. That goes into the shower room right there. Oh, I didn't even notice it. But look how cute from Beauty and the Beast all set up, the armoire. Oh, adorable. And then this folds out into a trundle bed because we're gonna have between 3 and 4 people in here on select nights. There's tons of room there. Look at the cute little castle here on the bed. Love it. Another big mirror. A nice little area to have some drinks or whatnot. And then the best surprise here. Once again, as I said, we got the cheapest room. It looks over not only the nice little like entryway to the hotel here and the monorail, but off in the distance, you can see the castle perfectly. And you can hear like the music going off. We also have Space Mountain right there. Oh, let's see if we can spot anything else. I think that might be Thunder Mountain, like behind the castle. That's kind of what it looks like over there, but yeah, not bad. I feel like this is giving Grand Floridian types vibes, but like actually, you know, way cheaper and much more worth it. This actually looks like a nice hotel in my opinion versus the Grand Floridian. Wouldn't really be overly excited to stay there, especially for the cost. But yeah, a nice little break from staying in my brother's more authentic, traditional Japanese apartment. Don't move anything. We also get these reusable tote bags. How cute, and it's pretty good size, hand for reference. They were just went from plastic to reusable. So how lucky is that? You can, it comes like this little baggie, so you can like fold it in. And you get 2 a day according to my mom and her research. So we'll come out of with 8 of these?
I think so.
Like yeah. 8 or 6 of them. That's so fun. We're at the Sherwood Garden Buffet. Got some beef and some dim sum, some focaccia, a little bit of pork and salmon, spring roll, a bunch of stuff to start out here. Okay. Disney really thought they were pulling one over on us, but these are legit McDonald's French fries on the buffet line. I knew it was McDonald's French fry when the first plate was cold, and they had that cold McDonald's French fry feel. But hot has confirmed it as well. They had that look. I had like a crispier, like more tan one. It is it.
Yum.
You get pajamas at the Disneyland Hotel. So we're all matching. Waiting for Colin. Colin, you gotta get ready for our matchy match photo time. Oh yes, it's so good, yet so terrifying.